जय श्री राधे कृष्ण everyone, जय श्री राधे कृष्ण Hanuman. So like we have already what we mentioned that we would upload some videos, or you could say like some little like from Kit Fest 8.0. So we have when like I already told in the previous video that we were not planned on the first day. On second day it was like even Krishna Bhagwan's like costume, and third day like it was like battery got dead, like battery was not in the phone, so I was just able to shoot only like a video of 0.2 second to 20 second. So we have just uploaded in the morning today because we were running out of time. So please go through that. Like we would just shooted that, like shooted on the third day, but like not having the enough time or like all that thing. So Krishna like maybe he was wondering like if we upload late, so we have just uploaded that. So like there is one more thing that I would tell, like, and that is like totally connected to Krishna Bhagwan, and that thing is like yesterday Krishna Bhagwan you could say I got Krishna Bhagwan yesterday, like before also multiple times, but like yesterday, like this time first time like in this form, like we got in this form. So guess what, guess no, like if like I'm saying like Krishna Bhagwan like come to me in some form, so please guess like and comment like before moving to forward, like please pause the video, like guess like in like how would I get the Krishna Bhagwan, like please comment like how would it could come. So let me show you in the form of when Krishna Bhagwan come. Okay, so this is the form in which Krishna Bhagwan come, like due to camera issue, like we were not able to like in the like you see this is a we have got like this is what is this is Srimad Bhagavad Gita of our Krishna Bhagwan, and it is called Vangmaya Swarup of Sri Krishna, and it is like 12 parts of Krishna Bhagwan Sri Hari Kunj Bihari Sri Haridas. So like it is like too good pleasure to very lucky to receive Krishna Bhagwan, and we got this from one of our classmates. So thank you to all of them, thank you to all of you like you are so much love. So thank you everyone for so much kind support, and like in previous view like viewers, like there is some growth. So thank you everyone, thank you Krishna Bhagwan, thank you Radhe Radhe everyone, because we're very happy, like we have read like 1 to 1 first second third adhyay, because it was like too much blessing. Like it is a really very like it is said in Kali that Krishna can like it is very rare that Krishna come in this real form, but if Krishna want to comes to someone, then he comes in the form of like idols and or like instrument of Bhagavad Gita, because it is Swarup of Krishna Bhagwan. And also there is one story like regarding to that, and the story is that like there was one Sant of Mathura Vrindavan. Then he was like he like changed something, like he said that in as like Bhagavad Gita it is mentioned that in Bhagavad Gita it mentioned that Bhagavad Gita mentioned that Krishna Bhagwan is Krishna, when someone needs help, then Krishna Bhagwan comes to help him or her, like so one record like same in the case of like that Gajgraha case, and like Dhruv, for Draupadi, for Ranti Dev, and like many more Prahlad, many more things, like Lord himself comes to save their devotees. So what like they from personal experience or like not know, like there is a story, like you could say like Prachalita story. So when he said that he changed the line that Krishna Bhagwan does work like he like with the like you could say like just giving to like they would make your work, like somehow they'll make your work, like in this some way they got little changes. On that day he was like it got changed like in Bhagavad Gita, but on the like on the night midnight of the day he was like too running, and he was like as a Sant devotee Lord Krishna. So when he was like wandering for food, but like in India like sons are like they are totally could say what you could say they are you could say egoless, like they are very kind, no you could say there is no wealth requirement, or you could say they just totally depend on God, like what the God give to them, they just accept that. So when they were wondering for food, but they didn't get any, like you could say food, you could say like bhikshatan, that's called in like in Sanatan Dharma, bhikshatan. Then you didn't get anything on that day. So at the night of the day, like in his family, like his wife was at home, his children were home. Then one person come, like on like I could say Krishna Bhagwan's like more punk on his head, murli on his vest. So like even की पहचान ही है, like that he murli and more punk उनके चरण चिन्ह. So like he come up with a basket of fruits and gave it to her wife, like Sons was not at home, he was gone to somewhere else for food, like for pujan or like all that things. So when her wife like observed, then she observed that the boy who had taken flowers, or could say fruits, for eatable items to her, it was like bleeding from his you could say eyebrow. Because then she asked that why your like eyebrow is bleeding. Then she said that he said that like Krishna Bhagwan, he like she asked their names, he was like maybe Giridhar or Gopal, he replied. Then she like she did not recognize that it is Krishna Bhagwan. So he replied that my eyebrow is bleeding because your husband has cutted it, like your husband has cutted my eyebrow. Then she said, my husband, he didn't even kill even a mosquito, then how could he harm you so much? Like he was so much kind, saint, devotee Lord Krishna. So like then he gone. And when his husband come, she told her that one boy come, he gave all these things to us. Then she said like his like eyebrow was bleeding, like he said that you have done something, you have like cut it. So then he got understood that it was none other than Krishna Bhagwan, because Krishna Bhagwan's Vahumya Swarup is Krishna Bhagwan, and someone changed it, Bhagavad Gita's slokas changed. Then it was like just you could say fostering on, like, or you could say attack on, like attack on the like not attack, like, but it's like it's a hurt to Lord Krishna. So like he got understand that yeah, like Krishna Bhagwan, like for his food Krishna Bhagwan himself come, and when like they changed that it is like it is Krishna Bhagwan, like they didn't work by themselves, they somehow make your work. So then from then it was again like slok was as it is remained actually just like mentioned in the Veda Puranas. So this is how like it is like exact Swarup of Krishna Bhagwan. This is a story I've told because I just want to tell that Krishna, it is like just Krishna Bhagwan. So not just hearing it, like it is like Krishna Bhagwan already with me. So thank you so much. So thank you so much. One gifted like everything to maybe what we would. So thank you everyone. Thank you Jai Shri Krishna Sitaram Hanuman. So there is like earlier we have shown in the like previous live on the we have shown you like that there is one more like this was also Krishna, this is gifted from someone. It was like many before like and this we got started. So thank you everyone for your so much kind love, and you could say thank you Krishna Bhagwan for being so much in this. So this is all the things. So Jai Shri Krishna Sitaram Hanuman. So till we end our video, and please go through this whole video and see Radhe Radhe. Okay, Jai Shri Krishna Sitaram Hanuman. Jai Shri Krishna Sitaram Hanuman. Jai Shri Bhakti.